Get ready to discover why Turkey is a military powerhouse in 2025. Let's start with manpower and structure. The Turkish land forces boast over 355,000 active personnel, supported by an additional 380,000 reserves. With compulsory military service for Turkish males, Turkey has one of the largest manpower pools in the region. Next, let's talk money. As of 2025, Turkey's defense budget stands at around $21 billion. This steady growth is fueled by regional tensions and ongoing modernization efforts. Now, on to the hardware. Turkey fields over 2,400 tanks, including the indigenous Altay main battle tank, and more than 8,000 armored vehicles. Their infantry is equipped with modern Turkish-made rifles, like the MPT-76. When it comes to air support, Turkey is a global leader in drone technology. The Bayraktar TB2 and Anka drones have proven effective in Libya, Syria, and Nagorno-Karabakh. While we're focused on the army, Turkey's navy enhances its regional influence, particularly around Cyprus and Greece. Turkey is a key NATO player, providing crucial manpower and logistics despite political tensions with allies like the US. And the future looks bright. Turkey is rapidly modernizing, from the TFX 5th-generation fighter jet to the Cyper long-range air defense system, aiming to reduce reliance on foreign technology. With strong manpower, homegrown defense tech, and a strategic location, Turkey is set to rise as a powerful military force in the Islamic world and beyond. What do you think about Turkey's military rise? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more global military content.